Want to create your first AI-enabled coaching package? I'm going to guide you on all the different ways you can use AI to enhance your coaching delivery, your clients' results, and your coaching package overall, without, of course, allowing AI to replace you, but allowing yourself to become one of the first AI-enabled coaches in your space. So the first and probably most logical thing that AI can help you with is actually onboarding your clients. The more you can automate your onboarding, the better it is. The first thing is, of course, we're dealing with clients you've already onboarded. So the first step is to onboard them. And of course, automation when it comes to onboarding is super important. And one of the things AI can help you with is actually onboard your clients. So you can actually code the same or program, the right word would be prompt, the same process into a GPT. And you can get a GPT to go through all the questions that would be in your onboarding form with your new client and actually guide it. And maybe it will also create other questions if the client doesn't provide a satisfactory answer for some of the questions. So definitely it can help you get more from your onboarding process. It makes the client feel more comfortable, and it is something that in a way is replacing more basic automation. I think it's very important that we keep in mind that we are never going to really replace the coach, and we are at a phase in history where we really need to make sure that we use AI properly, because if we use it flippantly in a way that it replaces us, we're going to perhaps even fool people into thinking that actually AI can replace a coach. We all know that people want to work with a coach because they want the human connection, because they want that accountability, because they want someone who has been through what they're going through to hold their hands and to really help them understand all the different facets of what's going on. Can it give them the human touch and the warmth and the feeling of being supported? No, it cannot. What clients need to understand is that AI is enhancing the support you can give them, but you are the expert. And it's very important, I think, that in this day and age, we deliver the message that we are AI enhanced coaches. We are not replaceable. The human to human connection is not replaceable. We want someone to make us feel something, because when you're interacting with an AI, you might get your answer, but you're not getting any feeling of connection. So I really think that as coaches, we're here to stay, but we have to have smart ways of using AI technology and also delivering the right messages to our audience, because we are now, right now, in this place in history, in a position where we can really educate our audiences about how to be smart and how to be aware that there is a limit to what AI can do for you, and that coaches are not solely replaceable. Ruffles up a few feathers, keeps us on our toes, keeps us motivated, and keeps things moving, and keeps, of course, anything that can help our clients achieve better results is always welcome, because that helps us make a much bigger impact on the people we work with.